Little walk around what I got done to this old colt today. Some painting done, some patches welded in the bottom tub where it was rotted out. I'm not a very good welder, but it's there. This all cleaned up, the gas tank brightened up, got the paint. The track rolling. Underside painted. Also got the blue coat put on the cab. Gonna take the Cricut machine tonight and make some decals for it. And still on the hunt for a carburetor, but I'm gonna try to soak this one in vinegar and get a needle for it and see if it will work. If not, I always find one on eBay. Slide rails painted up. It's not perfect, but it was worth saving. Hope you liked my video. Thank you.